So when I was young, I saw a sign on our street that said free puppies with an adorable picture. Excited, I went to see my dad and said, Dad, the puppies are free. Can I please have one? My father reminded me that a puppy is a lot of responsibility, and it's not the cost of the puppy that matters. I also have to factor in things like food, vet bills, and the time and effort I would spend raising this pet. You see, this reminds me a lot of the current trend towards the commoditization of IT. At an accelerated pace, business technology is becoming more accessible. And in spite of the fact that this has done a great deal to make sophisticated IT systems easier to implement and manage, this convenience also brings its own challenges. Today, many best-of-breed disaster recovery solutions are inexpensive and contain exciting, powerful, and easy-to-use features. But you can't just think of software licenses when evaluating disaster recovery solutions. You also have to factor in things like hardware, data center space, professional services, capital expenditures, vendor lock-in, lost productivity, security issues, and management overhead. When you take all of the cost and hassles into consideration, the total cost of implementing and managing your disaster recovery system can be much higher than the price of the software. Also, the free puppy might be lacking some essential capabilities. Maybe you want it to fetch, roll over, or play dead. This is additional time and effort that you'll need to invest in training. Like the puppy, as your needs evolve, you'll often find that some capabilities are lacking in your disaster recovery plan. You'll need to invest heavily in upgrades and training. Do-it-yourself disaster recovery is a bit like a free puppy. It comes with a lot of responsibility. If you'd like more peace of mind around your data protection, consider working with a backup and disaster recovery provider that can take on all of these responsibilities for you while providing you with all the benefits.